A Cybertruck fails to climb a little snowy hill with a little trailer and slides backwards and crashed into a tree. The driver tried to go up the hill twice but failed miserably. It's so funny when the Cybertruck lose grip, everybody blames the truck without ever questioning maybe they aren't snow tires? The tires the Cybertruck comes with are not snow rated, so of course it's terrible in snow. What kind of a moron goes uphill on packed snow without proper winter tires with a trailer? At least load it in the bed, so the stock tires get more traction. 100% guarantee that there are now micro cracks in that rear casting that will lead to a dangerous situation later. This is going to be a big problem when these things get rear-ended and fixed by shops that don't bother to inspect the structure that the hitch is attached to.